Hey there, camera enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to bring you another exciting video today where we dive into the world of instant photography. That's right, we're going to be counting down the top 5 best instant cameras of 2023. So, if you're a fan of capturing special moments in an instant, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Polaroid One Step Plus. This camera combines classic Polaroid charm with modern features. It offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control the camera remotely from your smartphone. Plus, with a built-in double exposure mode, you can get creative and capture unique shots. The One Step Plus also features a powerful built-in flash, ensuring well-lit photos even in low-light conditions. Next up at number 4, Fujifilm Instex Mini 90 Neo Classic. This camera is a perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and advanced technology. With its sleek design, multiple shooting modes, and a rechargeable battery, the Instex Mini 90 Neo Classic offers versatility and convenience. Its built-in macro mode allows you to capture stunning close-up shots, while the double exposure mode lets you experiment with creative photography. Number 3. Lomography Lomo Instant Automatic Glass Magellan. This camera is a real gem for those who appreciate both style and substance. With a high-quality glass lens, it delivers sharp and vibrant instant prints. The Lomo Instant Automatic Glass Magellan also features a fully automatic mode, making it a breeze to use. Additionally, it offers multiple exposure options and a remote control lens cap, allowing you to take group shots with ease. Number 2. Leica Sofor. Known for its accurate designing and remarkable picture quality, Leica has made a work of art in the moment photography domain. The Leica Sofor highlights an assortment of shooting modes, including full-scale, selfie, and party mode, which upgrades the camera settings for various situations. With its exemplary plan and extraordinary execution, the Leica Sofor is an incredible decision for the two novices and experts. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Kooak Smile Instant Print Digital Camera. This camera impeccably consolidates the fascination of moment prints with the comfort of advanced innovation. It includes an inherent printer, permitting you to get actual duplicates of your computerized shots in a split second. With its LCD viewfinder and different shooting modes, the Kooak Grin offers an easy-to-understand insight. You might alter your photographs prior to printing utilizing the camera's inherent channels and impacts. Also, that's it, our main 5 best moment cameras of 2023. Whether you're an eager photographic artist or simply love the nostalgic allure of moment prints, these cameras make certain to fulfill your imaginative desires. Remember to check the portrayal box beneath for connections to buy these cameras. If you partook in this video and need to be more satisfied this way, try to hit that buy-in button and turn on the notice ringer, so you never miss a transfer. Also, as usual, thank you for watching. Remain tuned for seriously thrilling camera surveys and photography tips. Until sometime later, continue to catch those valuable minutes. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.